white ducks. There you go. Oh, interesting. Wow, look at the sun today. Definitely, definitely beautiful. Holy cow. Yep. Anybody get outside to sun gaze? Because I highly recommend that. Sun gazing. When it's low enough in the sky, you see all kinds of pretty things.